Hello, you wonderful trainers. What is the most important part of a presentation or course? Yep, it's that first couple of minutes. And yet, so many times we spend it as though we were meandering through a park, stopping and looking at the pretty flowers and making aside comments. You can't do it today. You got to launch right in, and especially if you're doing a virtual presentation. A couple other things to avoid are those phrases like, we've got a lot to cover today, so we're going to go fast. I always want to say, well, then just throw a blanket over us and forget us. Or, there's too much material in this outline, we'll never cover it. Then why did you put it there? So start it off on a positive note. Avoid those things that make people wonder whether we're good at what we do. Now, the last thing. Please don't bore us to death with a 15-minute bio. We don't care about that now. We'd like you to get to the subject. However, there are areas where you can promote yourself. One of them is before you get there. So write articles, give the presenters your bio. Also, when you're introduced, if you're introduced on site, which you always should be, and you write your introduction, that's when people can learn about you. And put the bio in the back of the presentation. So now you've done what you want to do without boring them to tears. What do you do in the first couple of minutes? You get them into doing something right at the beginning. Why? Because you want to really jerk their paradigm. What are they expecting? I'm going to go in. I've got to listen to her. It's going to be an hour or two. I wonder if I can actually do some work on my phone or computer. You don't want that. So you got to jerk the paradigm. Give them something else to focus on, and that should also be a segue to what happens next. So those are pointers to help you launch your presentation, your course, so that people are on the edge of their seats, they're with you, it's going to be high participation, and you're going to get great reviews later. You can see more in my Train the Trainer program, and be sure to subscribe here so that you'll never miss some of my quick trainer pointers.